Hey you guys, it's your girl Ida Ray. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm sharing this week's spread, October 22nd through the 28th. I will talk a little throughout this video, but most of the part I'm just going to let you guys watch me and enjoy the music.
You know it is true that you were lost and this is a clue. Love is forever, love is forever too.
So right here I'm using whiteout to cover up this pink line because I don't want it to show through the washi tape that I'm going to put in this spot.
Lucid dreaming over Tokyo.
So I chose a lot of fall colors. My layout is going to be fall and fall colors. I usually only like to do like fall layouts for the whole month of November, but I figured I'll do it for this week because next week I'm going to do a Halloween layout.
To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo.
So this tape right here, I did not realize it was clear, so I just didn't like it. I do end up taking it off and I'm not a fan of it.
When you wake up, you know what you need to do.
Just close your eyes.
Someone's been waiting for you. Just close your eyes.
Just close your eyes. About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's be free with Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring us sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen to the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer, oh, when we soar away among the clouds. The sky is just a border, oh, when we're floating up like helium. Sip me up like lemonade, we both know it's bittersweet. This sorrowness will bite your tongue, no one is forever young. No. Listen to the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. I know the sun is getting warmer, but when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border, but when we're floating up like helium. My dear friend, where have you been? Where have you gone? What did you win? Someone there, are you listening? Is it too late? My dear friend, we felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts, is it all lost? We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning.
So I want to thank you all for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you like these types of videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I will be posting more. But I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.
My dear friend, you know I give in. Been waiting so long to feel it. All of these years, I've been listening. Are you all so numb? Do you still